Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 2.1, Problem 22. This is Section 2.1, Problem 22. It says a Math 011 class has 20 students. 9 are from Fall River, 7 are from New Bedford, 3 are from Dartmouth, and 1 is from Westport. What fraction represents the portion of the class that is from A, Fall River, B, New Bedford, C, Dartmouth, D, Westport, and E, Fairhaven? So let's start with Fall River. Altogether there are 20 students in the class, so the denominator of my fraction for Fall River will be 20, the total number of students that are in the class. Now the numerator, or top of the fraction, will be how many of those students are from Fall River. So if I look back at the question, it's 9. 9 out of the 20 students are from Fall River. So 9/20ths of the class is from Fall River. So we'll do New Bedford now. Now again, the denominator will tell me how many students are in the class altogether, so that's still 20. But the numerator now will be 7 because there are 7 students from New Bedford. So 7/20ths of the class is from New Bedford. And then Dartmouth after that. So the denominator is 20 because, again, there are 20 students in the class altogether. Now the numerator will be how many of those 20 come from Dartmouth. And as I look back at the question, 3 of the students are from Dartmouth. So the numerator is 3. So 3/20ths of the class is from Dartmouth. Next is Westport. Again, the denominator will be 20 because that's how many students in the class are in the class altogether. And it says 1 student is from Westport, so 1 will be the numerator. 1/20th of the class is from Westport. And then finally, Fairhaven. So the denominator is 20 because there are 20 students in the class altogether. Now, as we look back at the question and read through the different towns, you won't see Fairhaven. There is no one in the class from Fairhaven. So that would be 0. 0/20ths of the class are from Fairhaven. Number of students from Fairhaven is 0 out of 20 altogether. And now, whenever you have a fraction, the numerator or top is 0 and the denominator is any number besides 0, that can be simplified to 0.